Okay, so here I have the two different filters that we always use. We either use a 4-inch or a 1-inch. Sometimes 2-inch, they're not as common, but most of the time you either have the 1-inch or the 4. Now we're getting into the point of this season where you really need to be changing your filters before the real heat comes. Now I just left a house that they hadn't changed their filter in over a year, and it was a 1-inch one just like this. And it froze their system up. And I actually have to go back there in a little bit because it was so frozen that it's going to take hours to thaw. So the 1-inch filters, the pleats are much smaller. Okay, you see, much smaller pleats. These much larger, right? Air can pass through a lot easier. Okay, so not only is this less restrictive for your system, it lasts a lot longer. This is a 6-month filter. These are really supposed to be 1-month filters. Some manufacturers say 3 months, but I would do it every month, honestly. It's going to be the best. But the main reason we're talking about this is so that you will change your filters. Right now, where the heat's about to hit, and we really need everything to be perfect so that that system doesn't have any issues.